discuss the upcoming season and also co-create and co-develop.
I think I'll do it from this side.
His Excellency the Deputy President did convene the multi-sectoral teams within the government, all the ministries and development partners last week to provide a status update on the drought situation in Kenya. And since then, you've seen the engagement from the CS in charge of special programs, CS Honorable Ruku, attending to various counties, especially Mandera. Today is in North Or, supporting communities in terms of provision of urgent services, whether food, water, and medicines and all those things that are required, especially on the counties that are affected. So the Ministry of Special Program are coordinating government efforts in that regard, and therefore we have a plan in terms of how that would be delivered. Today in the afternoon, for example, Head of Public Service again is also convening various state departments to just get an update on the same. So there is a plan that has been put in by the national government, coordinated by the Office of the Deputy President, and programs are being rolled out in that regard, whether from Interior, NDOC, NDMA, and KMD. Our role as Kenya Met, as indicated, is to provide alerts. So we did provide alerts on the issue of droughts, and therefore the various agencies have reacted to our reports, and we are supporting communities to make sure that they are mitigated against the effects of the same.
Our theme for this kickoff is about advancing climate services for building resilience, especially of the vulnerable communities within the Great Horn of Africa. This theme is quite relevant because we know that our region is highly impacted by the climate extremes and weather events. And most people who realize the impacts, it's the vulnerable members of the community. As we speak right now, you'll find that especially the eastern horn of Africa, most communities are really suffering in terms of pasture for the animals, water for the animals, and in some areas we have the failed season.